For the knights of France, it was supposed to be a glorious charge. Instead, found a muddy grave.
In the autumn of 1415, King Henry V's campaign to claim the throne of France was a disaster. His army, ravaged by dysentery and starvation after the long siege of Harfleur, was a shadow of its former self. As they made a desperate march towards the English-held port of Calais, their path was blocked. A colossal French army, fresh, arrogant, and outnumbering them at least 5-1, had trapped them on a muddy field near a castle called Agincourt. For the English, there was no retreat. It was victory, or annihilation. It was St. Crispin's Day. As the French knights, weighed down by their heavy plate armor, began their ponderous charge across the quagmire, Henry's brilliant, brutal strategy was unleashed. The English longbowmen, the most feared missile troops in Europe, let loose a steel-tipped blizzard. The sky turned black with arrows. The French charge dissolved into a nightmare. Horses, maddened by pain, trampled their own men. Knights, bogged down in the sucking mud, became helpless, floundering targets. The narrow field became a funnel of death. When the arrow storm subsided, the English archers dropped their bows, drew their daggers and hatchets, and swarmed over the trapped and dying French nobility in a brutal, merciless slaughter. On October 25, 1415, a small, sick, and cornered English army achieved one of the most improbable and decisive victories in military history. The flower of French chivalry lay dead in the mud of Agincourt, shattered by the courage of common men and the terrifying power of the longbow. It was not a battle, it was an execution. Henry V's victory would cement his legend and change the course of the 100 Years' War, a brutal, bloody testament to the idea that on St. Crispin's Day, a few, a happy few, a band of brothers, could indeed stand against the world.